Hello, hi guys. Hope you all are good. Today I'm going to proceed the same session, that is basic mathematics. It was incomplete, so let me finish that. Then we'll go further for the upcoming topics. So now let me revise. Let me make it recap for you people. You might have revised the content whatever I had discussed yesterday. So let me recap those. So yesterday we discussed trigonometric ratios. In that we had few formulas here: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. What are the ratios and formulas of trigonometry, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, and 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Similarly, sin 2 theta we discussed, cos 2 theta, 4 formulas, and 2 out of these 2 are more important we discussed yesterday, as well as tan 2 theta, sin 3 theta, cos 3 theta, tan 3 theta. All these formulas are very much important. 3 theta formulas are not that much important as much the cos and sin and tan 2 thetas are important. So these are important formulas, you should remember. Along with that, these two formulas, this and this, these two are going to be very much helpful. Not only two, all four actually. Most of the time we are going to use these formulas, so it's better to remember these formulas. Sin A plus B is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Similarly, sin A minus B is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Similarly, you can follow all these formulas. Up to 17th number we discussed, and a few formulas were pending. So let's finish that. And so the number I am giving is 18th. Right. So what is the formula, sir? In 18th I am going to discuss sin A cos B formula. What is this? Sometime it is looking like sin theta into cos theta, right? If it is sin theta into cos theta, you could have multiplied and divide with 2, and you could have framed it like sin 2 theta by 2. But no, you can't do it right now. Why? Because it's not theta, it's A and B. Angles are different. So when angles are different, you will have to write 1 by 2 sin A plus B plus cos A minus B, right? Very important formulas for actually complex problems involve these mathematical formulas. That's why these physics questions are becoming complex, right? If you know these formulas, no question is complex. Every question do have some trick and formula based questions. So that's why these formulas are becoming important, right? So 19th sin, wait a second, let me change the order. Cos B sin A, it is going to be 1 by 2 sin A plus B minus sin, my mistake, let me do some changes here. I'm sorry for this. It will be sin, sir. Sin A minus B. Similarly, 20th is cos A cos B. It is 1 by 2 cos A plus B minus cos, not minus, it is plus, sir, cos A minus B. Similarly, 21st, it is sin A sin B, both are sin. So for this, the formula is half cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. So these 4 formulas are going to be helpful. Actually, I will use these formulas when I will discuss projectile motion up the plane and down the plane. In that case, I am going to use this one of these formulas. So anyway, if I am going to use these formulas, obviously these are going to be important, and I will show you wherever in physics I will use these formulas. I will let you know from where I am using these formulas. So once go revise, and at that time also I will let you know to revise these again, right? So let's proceed for the other formulas. See, up to here not much important formulas are there. So up to here these are important, right? So you can remember these 21 formulas, very important. So you go through, revise. I'm not asking you to get by heart, but the thing is you should keep in mind so that you can use in the calculation purpose. Now let's proceed for the next topic of subtopic of trigonometry, let's say. Now subtopic is, sir, first of all tell me, you know what is plane angle? If I'm talking about plane angle and solid angle, so anyway I'm going to categorize it later, so let me discuss plane angle first. What is plane angle? Plane angle, sir, what is this? We denote generally with theta, right? Plane angle. What is this, sir? We can say the angle between two lines or two planes. The angle between two lines or two planes. If I am saying, let's say these are two lines, right? Sir, let's say the length, let's say it's a small sector I am taking, and this is making theta or d theta, and this is length, you can say dl, right? What is the relation? What is this relation between d theta r and dl? So theta, d theta is the angle between two lines or two planes, you can say. That's why we are saying plane angle. For solid angle we'll discuss later. So what is the relation between them, sir? So I am writing this, d theta is equal to dl by r. Anyway, in kinematics I will teach you once again, in circular motion also I will teach once again what is the relation, vector relation of it. So at the time I let you know the vector relation is vector dl will be equal to d theta vector cross vector r. This is a vector quantity actually. Yeah, at that time anyway I am going to revise it. I don't care about this point. I want you to know this part, right? What is d theta is equal to dl upon r? If I am writing for a larger angle, you can write theta is equal to l by r. It means what, sir? Angle, plane angle is nothing, it is equal to arc length by radius of this arc, right? Why it is important, I'll let you know. See, what is the SI unit of angle, sir? It's a radian. Do you know? It's a radian, sir. RD, right? Sir, if I'm talking about unit of angles, SI unit is radian, but if other unit I am talking, other units of angle, you might have heard it, degree, right? Degree and minute and second, I will let you know further. So you can convert into degree also. Let me discuss, sir. You might have heard this pi. Sir, let me ask a question, sir, here. Pi is equal to 180. Is it correct? My question is simple. Can we write pi is equal to 180? Most of you will say yes, correct. But I am making you sure it is incorrect. We can't write pi is equal to 180. Why, sir? Now let me ask another question at the same time. If I am asking 1 is equal to 100, will you agree with me? No. How, sir? How can you say 1 is equal to 100, sir? Yes, I am also not aligned with this concept. So now can we make it equal? Yes, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now are they correct? Yes. Why, sir? Because I used a unit here, right? And if I say, I'll let you know in unit and measurement, the product of number or the quantity and unit is always constant, right? The product of the quantity or the numerical value of the quantity and the unit of that quantity is always constant. I will let you know, this is very important concept I am sharing with you. Later anyway I will teach again. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. If I can say this, similarly we can say pi radian is equal to 180 degrees, sir. This is correct, sir. We can't say pi is equal to 180, right? Sir, actually pi is equal to 22 by 7 value, sir, exact value, right? Pi value is 22 by 7, that is 3.14, right? Almost, not exact, 3.14. Sir, why I am discussing this thing? Because we know we are going to use pi and 180 repeatedly. So what is this? Let me discuss, sir. Sir, what I said, pi radian is equal to 180 degree. Just now I used. So can we say 1 radian is equal to 180 degree by pi? So 1 radian formula is this. Similarly, if I am asking what is 1 degree, sir? 1 degree is going to be pi by 180 radian, sir. It means we got two expressions here. One is for degree, the other is for radian, right? One is for degree, the other is for radian. Now, sir, 1 radian value also I know, 1 degree value also I know. I want the conversion from radian to degree and degree to radian, because most of the time I am going to repeatedly convert from, and it should not be your hectic work. It should be very smooth conversion for you, right? Now, sir, and most of you are very much comfortable. Now, for those who are new or those who suffered physics, they find difficulty in physics because of these things only, right? So what are these, sir? Sir, if I am asking what is pi by 2 radian, you will just say it is, sir, 180, because pi radian is equal to 180 degrees, so I am writing 180 by 2, it is 90 degrees, sir, you will say, and correct it is. Similarly, you can write pi by 4 radian. So all the time I won't write radian and degree, because we can skip writing radian and degree, but we should keep in mind pi by 2 is not equal to 90, it is pi by 2 radian is equal to 90 degree. This thing we should keep in mind. For our calculation purpose, all the time we can't write radius degree. So it's better to write pi is equal to pi by 4 is equal to 45 degree directly, or just pi by 4 is equal to 45. It doesn't mean they are equal. Pi by 4 radian is equal to 45 degree, right? So this is the disclaimer I am giving to you. Next is pi by 6. What does it mean, sir? 30 degree. You can convert it, right? It's easy to convert, sir, from one form to another. Similarly, pi by 3, if I am asking, it is 60 degree. Sir, other forms you can convert. Sir, now one thing, sir, here I am completely converting from radian to degree. What about this, sir? An important concept I am going to discuss with you. Let's say 3 pi by 7, I am asking how to convert into degree, sir. Sir, 3 pi by 7 means 3 180 by 7, 540 by 7. Sir, how many degrees then? Is it completely divisible? No. Then in that case, first divide it up to the nearest integer. So what is that, sir? Let me discuss. 7 sevens are 49. 5 is left, again 50, again 7 sevens are 49. 1 left. So 1 left means up to here it is degree. Whatever 1 is left here, I will multiply this 1 with 60. Why? I will let you know. First let me do this. Sir, I multiplied with 60. I am writing here plus, and 1 into 60 by what, sir? 7. Now this is going to be written in minutes. I'll tell you why I am writing minute. I'll let you know. So now what is this? 77 degree. How many minutes, sir? 8 minute. Right. What is left? 4. 40. 5. Or almost you can take 6. 6 second I will write. Sir, it is what is this? 3 pi by 7 radian is equal to 77 degree 8 minute 6 second we will write. How we will pronounce? 77 degree 8 minutes and 6 seconds. Sir, why I am pronouncing like this? Let me show you. Actually, you can divide 1 degree into 60 parts, and each part will be called 1 minute. And similarly, each minute can be divided into 60 parts again, and that will be called 1 second. Each part will be called seconds. So let me write, sir. So can we say 1 degree is equal to how many minutes, sir? 60 minutes. I am writing minutes with single dash. Similarly, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. This relation also you should keep in mind, sir. See, just for similar, the way we are converting 1 hour into minutes and 1 minute into seconds, the similar way I am converting it from degree to minute and minute to seconds, sir. Okay, so this is sometime you will get this type of answer also, so you should be prepared for this, how to convert from degree to radian to degree, and degree to minute, and minute to seconds. How? Got it? Hope it is clear, right? Now next is, we need to use this, right? If I am making a chart of it, let me make the chart. Yeah, I am writing this chart here. So first tell me, if in one row I am writing theta angles. Actually I am going to tell you, yeah, let me write this first, then I will let you know further things. Chart. In this chart I am saying this is sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, and cot values. And most of you might have known, actually few things you know already. Few additional information I am going to give you here, and that is very important, sir, because questions are going to be asked from there only. Yeah, whatever you know, that is also going to be used, obviously that is basic, but additional information what I am going to provide here is very helpful, sir. Please focus. Now sir, if, let me change the color. Yeah, fine. Now sir, I am going to divide into smaller squares. Fine. Now sir, yeah, wait a second. Now if I am taking theta value 0 degree, what is sine 0, sir? 0 degree means 0 radian also. Sine 0 means 0. Similarly 30 degree, you might have seen 30 degree, 37 degree. Oh, this is new information, 37, and widely used this information. Now next is 45 degree, all are degree, I am writing in degree only. Next is 53, sir. 53, 60, 90, and one more is 180 is also important. The rest I'll give you shortcuts through which you can calculate for any values, right? Not to worry, because if I have started means I will teach you everything about trigonometry. So what is this? Let's put the values. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Sine 37 is, sir, for these values now I am writing the values now, later I will let you know how to remember these values. Sine 37 is, it's 3 by 5. 45 1 by root 2. 53 it's 4 by 5. Sine 60 root 3 by 2. Sine 90 1. Sine 180 0. Cos 0 1. Cos 30 root 3 by 2. Cos 37 4 by 5. Cos 45 1 by root 2. Cos 53 3 by 5. Cos 60 1 by 2. Cos 90 0. Cos 180 minus 1, sir. I will let you know why. Every proof I'm going to give to you. Tan 0 0. It's sine by cos, so you can take the ratios of sine by cos, right? So tan 30 it's 1 by root 3. Tan 37 it's 3 by 4. 1045 1, 1053 4 by 3, 1060 root 3, 1090 1 by 0 is undefined, or you can write infinity, sir, and 10180 0, sir. Cosec 0, cosec 0 0, cosec 32, cosec 37 5 by 3, cosec 45 root 2, cosec 53 5 by 4, cosec 60 2 by root 3, cosec 90 it's going to be 1 by 1 is 1, cosec 90 is going to be 1, cosec 180 1 by 0 is infinity, sir. Sec is inverse of cos, so you just reverse cos. 1 2 by root 3, it's 5 by 4, it's root 2, sorry, my mistake, root 2, it's 5 by 3, it's 2, it's infinity, and it's minus 1. Cot inverse of tan, 0 root 3, 4 by 3, and it is 1, and it is 3 by 4, and it is 1 by root 3, it is 0, and it is infinity. This is the chart you should remember. It's a very important chart. And what are the additional? See, you know, a few things are additional for you people. Most of you know the extra things. Let me show what are the, I know what are the extra information I'm giving here is 37, 53 and 180 degree for all functions, right? So let me show you, let me discuss 37 and 53 proof. Proof is, sir, I just assume a triangle, right? Wait a second, just assume a triangle. Let me take one side larger. Now this side is 4, this is 5, and this is 3. Opposite of 3 is 37, I am saying. Opposite of smallest is smallest angle. Opposite of 4 is 53, and opposite of 5 is 90. See, based on sides I am giving the angle also. Smallest angle is smallest size opposite to it. Smallest side do have smallest angle, largest side do have largest angle in opposites of it, right? So now if I'm asking you what is sine 37, you will just say, sir, 3 by 5. Is it 3 by 5 here? Yes. It means whatever I said, don't need to remember in the chart, you can go with this triangle, and after few days everything will come in your brain. No need to remember this chart, right? That is going to be helpful, right? This triangle is very much important. Along with that, how to get for 180 degrees, sir? Let's have a discussion over it. Let me change the color of the page, then I'll start the discussion. Wait. Color, which color I need to choose? Yeah, this color. Fine. Sir, additional is, let's talk about rules, how to convert from one angle to another angle. So what are the rules? Do you know one thing? If I have quadrants, 4 quadrants here, this is called first quadrant, this is called second quadrant, this is called third quadrant, this is called fourth quadrant, right? So in first quadrant, all are making 90 90 90 angle, all are mutually perpendicular, all quadrant, right, at the center. This now, sir, one rule you might already have known, you will know, obviously, I can understand. So what is this? Here all positive, and those who don't understand, just listen, you will understand at the end everything. All positive here, sine and cosec positive, here tan and cot positive, rest are all are negative. Whatever I am writing, whichever function I am writing on the quadrant, those only positive, rest are negative. Here cos and sec both are positive and rest are negative. Sir, you understood here. This thing you should keep in mind. Second rule I want to explain. Two rules you should remember here. Whatever I am saying, just keep in mind, everything is going to be helpful. Now, rule number 1, whenever you see, what you see, sir? You see 180 or multiple of which multiple? Integer multiple. Let me write. Yeah, any multiple. Integer multiple means 1, 2, 3. Multiple of 180 degree. 180 degree or in multiple of 180 degree. You just say with me, it will have no change effect. No change effect. I will let you know what is no change. Rule number 2. Rule number 2 is, whenever you are observing 90 degree or odd multiple or odd multiple of 90 degree, then you will say, what you will say, sir? Change. Change. What change, sir? Let me show you. Very interesting things I am going to discuss. What change, sir? Change means sine to cos. Sine to cos and cos to sine. If it is sine, it will convert to cos. If it is cos, it will convert into sine. Similarly, sec to cosec, cosec to sec. Similarly, tan to cot. This is the conversion, means change. Change means this, right? Now, sir, let me give you, now let me start it. You might have remember few formulas. Let me show you. Let me start from the formulas itself. Then I will go further. Sir, let me ask a question here. Question is, in class 10th, you might have used this, and in class 11th, obviously, you might have started with this. So, what is sine 90 degree minus theta or pi by 2 minus theta? What do you say? You will just say directly cos theta. And you already you by hearted these formulas, but no need to by heart it. I gave you the rule. What is the rule I said, sir? Now I said whatever function here, what is this function, sir? What is this function? First sine. Now see the angle inside it. 90 minus theta. Do you say 90? What is this rule number 2? 90 or odd multiple of 90, then change. So 90 you observe means it will change. Sine to cos. Sir, if 90 converted the function, so don't need to repeat 90 again. You just write cos and theta only, right? Next is what to write, sir? Positive or negative? So let me show you in the quadrant. So 90 is from here, principal axis to here, it is 90 degree, right? 90 minus theta means you will go back again. And in which quadrant you are lying now, sir? What is this? This is in first quadrant, sir. If it is in first quadrant, what I said? All positive. All positive means it is going to be positive cos theta. So that's why it is sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. Similarly, if I am asking you cos 90 minus theta, sir, then what about this? So 90 means sine. So simply you will change sine, cos to sine, sine to 9, cos. So 90 minus theta, in which quadrant? First quadrant, so it is also positive. So now, sir, let me ask another question. Third question is, if I am asking you tan 180 plus theta, now tell me, sir. Sir, tan 180 plus theta means 180 change or no change? See rule number first, no change. It means I am not going to convert tan to cot. It will be tan it itself. and theta. One, because of 180 I decided what should I do, change or no change. So I will remove this 180. What will be left? Theta only. Sir, here plus or minus, so I'll draw the quadrant. 180 means up to here, plus theta means where I am, sir? Again theta angle forward. This is the quadrant. Which quadrant, sir? Third quadrant. In third quadrant, tan and cot are positive, so it is going to be positive. So now, sir, similarly, exactly 180 minus theta, what you will say, sir? Sir, tan theta because of 180. Sir, here I will go back, sir. Why? 180 minus theta, sir. So in what quadrant? Second quadrant. In second quadrant, tan is negative, so it is going to be negative minus tan theta. Similarly, sir, now let me give you the direct values. Fifth, sir, if I am asking you what is 180 degree, cos 180 degree, sir, can we apply the rules whatever I am applying till now? Yes. What is that, sir? Sir, cos 180 plus 0, can we write? Yes. Sir, if I can write cos 180 plus 0, what is cos 180 plus theta, sir? That is cos 0. Why? Sir, instead of theta it is 0 degree here. That's why I wrote cos 0. But cos 180, it will not change. 180 no change, sir. What about the sign, sir? Positive or negative? See, observe it. 180 up to here. Sir, you are doing plus, na? Plus means you are somewhat little bit forward. It means in third quadrant. In third quadrant, cos is what, sir? Negative. So minus cos 0. Minus cos 0 means minus cos 0 is 1. So minus 1. That's why I wrote cos 180 is minus 1 here. Do you remember this? Why I wrote? Hope you understood this, right? Hope you understood this. Now let me ask another question. Sixth. Sir, here, can you let me know sine 270 degree plus theta first? Sir, 270 means it is odd multiple of 90, means it is going to change. Cos theta. Quadrant, sir? In which quadrant, sir? So up to here 270 plus theta means fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cos is in fourth quadrant, sine. See, always see this function, not this. From where it is getting converted, that function is important to see, sir. Now sine here is negative, so that's why I write minus cos theta. So hope you understood this. You can calculate the values also. Let me ask last question from these concept. My question is, what is the value of sec 180? Sec 180. So you will say, write simply sec 180 plus 0, 180 no change, 0 sec 0, quadrant, sir, quadrant is third quadrant, sec is negative, so minus sec 0 is what, sir? It is inverse of cos, so cos 0 is 1, so sec 0 is also 1, so minus 1. So sec 180 is minus 1. So is it? Let me check. Sec 180 minus 1. So you understood it, right? Till today, till now, whatever discussion happened, if there is any doubt, please comment in the comment section, so that I will get back to you with the explanation, and or in upcoming videos I will upload the queries also. So please ask there, and obviously I am discussing basics now. Advanced level I will go slowly so that you can understand each and everything. Hope this is clear, right? So almost trigonometry is finished, so whichever part is left, let me know. Let's end this session here itself, and in next session I am going to start with logarithm and quadratic equation and all differentiation, integration, and all basic mathematics. Almost 3 to 4 days it will take, and after that we will start unit and measurement, and we will go forward. So thank you so much, see you, and yeah, don't forget to like, comment and share. And who didn't describe the, subscribe the channel, please subscribe it. And because I'm very busy, even though I'm taking time for you people to make videos and upload it, yeah, because I just started these videos to upload, so there is no edit. Without edit I'm uploading this. Excuse me for this, and I'm sorry for this, because I don't have time to edit and upload, and because of that I was not uploading videos. Based on request I'm uploading, and hope you are also getting benefited of it. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.